Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi ala kulli ni'matis salih sehat iman wal afiyah wa salatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wa mursalin Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam wa ala alihi washabihi wa man tabi'ahum bi ihsanin ila yaumiddin. First of all, let's say thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because his blessing is and mercies so we can still fasting in this good month Ramadan. And second salt and some to our Lord Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was bring us from Jahiliyah era until Islam era right now. So today we will continue to the mini lab March here are the topology, and on this part I will tell you for the viewers how to connect this from this PC to this all the PC and for all the PC to the server. Okay, for the first we start go to the switch and then okay for that this the material for now and the switch you can make switch mode access to fast ethernet 1 and 2 with 794 pass, and then for the interface 3 and 4 is with port mode strong, so like so for interface 5 until 7 with port mode strong but using ether channel. So after that you can go to the second switch, I'm sorry, and then you make from the interface range FA1 until 4 is with port mode access, and then using 23 port for quest. And then for the Ethernet 5 until 7, don't forget switch port mode strong, also using channel group 1 mode passive. And then after all connected, you go to the router 5. In router 5, you can make route AGRP on for that you make the interface for the interface 0. The IP address is 45.45.45.1 with this subnet. Don't forget no shutdown. And for interface FA1, the IP address is 1 and shutdown 1. And you make route AGRP for the two network. Forget not summary. And then must same the domain. Go to the router 6. So you make for the interface FA1 is go to the client, and then interface FA0 go to the next router. This 46.46.46.1. Don't forget to shut down. This wrong. Yes, this is true. Okay. After that you make it AGRP for the two network already connect. And for the next you go to the router 5 4 sorry. For that you make the interface also connected interface the router 5 and 6 with this for interface 1 connect to router 5 and then interface 0 connect to router 6. After that you can okay the last interface ether 1/0 is connected to router 2 with the IP address 24.24.24.1. And after that you make the root AGRP, don't forget, with the net 3 network. Auto summary. Okay, go to the router 2. Okay, here we make the routing redistribute between AGRP and then USPF. The first you make IP AGRP is interface FA1 FA1. The IP address connect to router 4 yes, and then the interface FA1 FA0 12.12.12.1 connect to router 1, and then connect to router 2 is interface FA1/0 is 22.23.23.1. After that, you make root AGRP only for network 24, and then for the root SPF 100, you make the network for the network 23 and then 12 with the area 0 backbone area. And then don't forget make the rest the distribute for root AGRP and your USPF. So okay, close it first. After that, you go to router 1, this is center, make the IP, this IP connect to router 2, and then this IP connect to router 3, and this IP connect to the server. After that, you make the root USPF 100, this the 3 network connected, this the third network, 1 and 2, this one. So connect to all, you can make go to the router 3 and then make root SPF this one name, true name is this, and then yeah, first interface FA0 is connected to the router 1, and then interface FA1 connected to router 7, and then for the interface FA1/0 connect to router 2, this IP, and then this the routing SPF. We do show run first. Yes, this is the one connected, so you can make again. Okay, this is the true very numbering. For the next, the router 6, you can make the Ethernet one connect to the router 3, and then for the interface FA0 connect to the router 8, and then interface 1 connect to the router 9. Don't forget you must using this for the IP route SPF0 100. First is the network, go to the router 3, and then therefore go to the router 8 and 9. They connect, and here in router 9 you make the IP for go to the client, and then go to the router 7, this for the IP, and then for the next we make the route SPF 100, this the network go to the client, and then this go to the router 7, and then this the router go interface 1 go to the client, and then interface 0 go to the router 7. This all, don't forget no shutdown, and then after that, yes, after that you make the root SPF with this network. So after completed, you will next uh we will next to make the HSRP here. So not dynamic, and then using STP port fetch already channel, and we make the access menu for the SRP and then dynamic net. So you install the IP to the setup. Okay, for this first, you can make the first is IP net pool, so that access from any, then and then IP net dot list. So you enter the IP net in letter 5. Already all can make interface FA standby. SRP can see here already all. IP net outside inside standby IP. Here you make also IP net pool with the net mask. Also if in set place interface included any, and then for that the interface one is the HSRP mode. can check here. After that, make again in the router line. So same like this. This for SRP. Can you show run now? Okay, alright out. And the last in the router 8, 8 already all same. Okay, so now we will make IP here. It's IP and then the gateway is HSR is the first laptop in right side and but this IP laptop same for 25 6 and then this 7 plus 8. Good. Yeah, so that you can do ping successful and you can go to ping the router backbone. But there is something wrong, so you can check here. If there's some wrong, something else. Then you must check who the all of the IP. Okay. You may check again. Is super successful. So you can check the ping here. Is already successful. Is successful. Okay guys, after that make this and then one where it is good. Then for the interface reboot. So you can check looker and you can check here to show a peanut translation. Oh, show a peanut translation. This like that. The router the next. So you can now access list here. Add access. Okay, so now you will add here the access list for only the 9 host 1 3 and here also you make this access list for the detailed IP. Okay, so this should be pilot successful. Can try here. Yes, and then there's pilot for the access list. Okay, maybe these are from me about the lab for this month. Thank you very much. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.